Hi, my name's Nick. I'm a field marketing representative for iRobot, and today I'm going to share what comes in the box of the iRobot Braava Jet M6. Let's take a look. Alright, so the first thing you're going to notice when you bring it out is that sleek white design. I'll show you all sides here. The bottom of the device itself. So the first thing I want to point out is the maximized edge design here. You'll see when I place a pad on this device here that the pad actually goes across the entire front. And what that helps with is it maximizes its ability to be able to get into corners and along the edges of the surface of your home, really making this thing give you a total home clean. Next up, we have the Precision Jet Spray right here in the front. The Precision Jet Spray is great because whenever the M6 here encounters any sticky, grimy mess on your flooring surface, it's going to be able to shoot out either water or our Braava Jet cleaning solution to be able to wipe that sticky mess up for you. On top of that, on the bottom, we have our cliff detection sensors here on the sides. Cliff detection sensors will make sure that your robot never falls down the stairs or off any surfaces that it's not supposed to. And lastly, what makes the device go, right? This easy to use clean button. Super simple, don't have to program anything, just hit clean and you're ready to go. All right, now let's check out some of the other goodies in this box. I'll set this M6 down right here. So next up in the box, we have the charger here, the home base itself. So this is where your M6 is going to start and end all of its jobs and go back to whenever it needs to charge, right? That's really cool because it also comes with this brand new drip tray that we've designed. So what this drip tray is meant to do is to attach right onto the front of the home base there, so that when the M6 comes back and ends its job, it's actually going to end up with that dirty pad right across the front of here, so that you're never having that used pad on your clean floor surface, right? Makes complete sense. All right, let's see what else we got in here. The accessories, right? Gotta have the accessories. We got an awesome box of accessories here that comes with it as well. First up, I'll show you the cleaning pads that come with it. Now these cleaning pads are awesome because you get two different kinds. The first one you're going to see here with a white back is going to be our dry sweeping pad. It actually has fibers on the front that use electrostatic force to help you clean up any dust or pet hair in your home. I know, me being a pet owner, these things really go a long way. I'll also show you how to put one of these on and take one of them off in a second here. The next pad we have is the Braava Jet Wet Mopping Pad. You're going to notice it has a blue back instead of a front to help you out. And what's awesome about these is they have moisture wicking fibers that help clean up any, those dirty, grimy messes that we talked about a little bit ago. All right, and on top of that, we have the iRobot Braava Jet cleaning solution. With this cleaning solution, you'll notice it's a small bottle, but you don't have to use much. It's got a great scent. On the back, it's going to tell you how much to use, and really it's only a few capfuls, so you're going to get quite a few uses out of this. And last but not least, the charger, right? Charger's super simple. Plug it right into the back of the home base here, straight to your wall. Really easy to install. It's that simple, right? All right, now let's check out these pads in action. Alright, so now we're in my kitchen, and let's take a look at the bottom of the M6 here. So, as you can see at the top, there's a little arrow that signifies which way the pad slides down into the device. And that green flashing square you see there is actually the sensor that reads the code on the back of the pad to know whether you'd like to dry sweep or wet mop, and I'll show you a little bit more about that. So as I mentioned here, we have two pads that come with the device. On the left here, we have the wet mopping pad, and on the right, the dry sweeping pad. I'll show you the dry sweeping pad here. That code right there is actually what the robot reads to know that you'd like to dry sweep. So just slide it right on in. It'll actually click to let you know it's in place. Set the robot down, hit clean, and we're ready to roll. Next up, let's take a look at the blue pad, the wet mopping pad. So as you can see, it has a little bit different of a checkered code on the back, and that code is actually what's going to let the robot know that you'd like to mop. There's no other settings that you have to set up yourself. I'm going to slide that pad into place just like the dry one. You'll hear the click when it's in place. Set it down, hit clean, and we're ready to mop. And when the job is done and you'd like to discard the pad, just find the eject button in front One little click and the pad's into your garbage without ever having to touch it. Lastly, one of the most amazing features about the Braava Jet M6 is that the robot knows when its battery power is running low. It'll return to the home base to recharge and then resume cleaning right where it left off. It's even smart enough to know exactly how much battery power it needs to complete the particular job that it's on right now, making cleaning the most efficient it's ever been in your home. Alright, this is everything that comes in the box of the Braava Jet M6. For more information on this product and why this would be a great fit for you, please visit our website and watch some more of our videos on the Braava Jet M6. Thank you for spending some time with me today, and have a good day.